Good morning, students. Let us continue exercise 7.4 statement sum. Question number 8. Ela read 25 pages of a book containing 100 pages. Lalita read 2 by 5 of the same book. Who read less? In these questions, total number of pages is 100 and Ela read 25 pages and Lalita read 2 by 5 of the same book. Now you have to tell who read less. Now solve it. Ela read 25 pages out of 100 pages. Fractions of reading the pages means 25 divided by 100. Now divide 100 by 25 and we get 4. Therefore, the fraction is 1 by 4th part of book. Here, Lalita read 2 by 5 part of the book. Therefore, the fraction is 40 divided by 100 pages. Here, the fraction is 1 by 4 and 2 by 5. As you know that 1 by 4 is less than 2 by 5 because 1 by 4 fraction is 25 by 100 and 2 by 5 fraction is 40 by 100 pages. Therefore, Ela read less pages. Next question is question number 9. Rafiq exercised for 3 by 6 of an hour while Rohit exercised for 3 by 4 of an hour. Who exercised for a longer time? Now here Rafiq exercised 3 by 6 of an hour and Rohit exercised 3 by 4 of an hour. In both these fractions, the numerator is same. As you know that when the numerator is same, therefore we have to check the denominator. And the denominator number, smaller number is greater fraction. Therefore, 3 by 4 greater than 3 by 6. Rohit exercised for a longer time. Next question 10. In a class A of 25 students, 20 passed in first class. In other class B of 30 students, 24 passed in first class. In which class was a greater fractions of students getting first class? In this question, there are two classes A and B class. And in A class, total students 25 and in B class, total number of students is 30. Okay. Therefore, we can write here in class A, 20 passed out of 25. It means total number of students 25 and number of students passed 20. Therefore, 20 divided by 25. Both these number comes in the table of 5. So, we divide numerator and denominator by 5. Therefore, we get 4 by 5. In class B, 24 passed out of 30. It means 24 divided by 30. Here, the denominator and denominator comes in the table of 6. So, read the table 6. Divide 24 and 30 by 6. Therefore, we get 4 by 5. Here, the fraction of both these classes are equal. Hence, each class have same fractions of student getting the first class.